Hello everyone, it's me Amol Sarma back again with my new video. In this video, I'm going to teach you that how can you update your script from the scratch of this graph method. Okay. Mm, for this, I have just uploaded. Sorry, it take it was uploaded. I think 2 months ago. Update open source big graph method. Okay, 1 month ago. Okay, I have uploaded the first part. Okay, in this part I have shown you that how can you get this actual graph method using Facebook. I have talked little more thing about in this video here. Okay, you can see and go. Otherwise I will keep the link in description below. Okay. In this topic I am just implementing the part of the second sorry part of this part 2. Okay, how can you add your script to this. Okay, we have to this in your Python code. Okay, we have just 383 subscribers, so let me just complete 1k subscribers as fast as possible. Okay. In my new videos are people are not engaging in really my videos. Okay. In this my main motive is to teach you how can you learn, how can you make your own script from the scratch. Okay, I have make the written 3 part. Okay, and this video little bit got part and this part second and third. Okay, I need to make more views so that my channel will grow. Okay, I'm doing just for you. Okay, before talking that I have this script open source. Okay, I'll provide you in my Telegram channel, otherwise I'll give an open source description. Okay, I'm just creating I'm just writing a software. Okay, this is an basic structure of software. In this software what I am doing that I'm making an software in Python. Okay, in Django framework. It will just I'm making an just like you have seen chat GPT. Okay. It will just like what we do, it will just write you a script in whatever language, but in Django especially for focusing on the in focusing on the today's exceptions, people are still buying script from others. Okay, in my YouTube channel I have teach you that how can you write this. Otherwise if you don't want to write this much code, okay, you want to just copy paste. Okay, you have too many plenty of source. Okay, but what is the difference between my code and others people code? Okay, in my code I have written plenty of script in JavaScript, HTML and Python. Okay, so what is the difference between the other and mine? Okay, I have built an I have built I have built an AI. Okay, so it will just automatically return your code. Okay, just simply copy your logo and paste here. Nickname you can write whatever you want. Author name also you can write whatever you want. If you want to generate b graph normal API. Okay, I want to generate b graph method. Okay, if I writing a generate b graph method, it will just writing a code. Okay, I have used here API of ChatGPT 3 API. Okay, I have used an 3 API, most popular API among cloning open source. Okay, API first one is ChatGPT, second one is Gemini, and third one is the Safari AI. Okay, this is an Apple AI. So I have design and logic like that. It will generate the script. I have trained like it 1000 or 2000 something time. So it will just generate the script. Okay, first of the my contact was to generate the script of just like this method only, but now I'm going to generate the whole script. Okay, it will take while time, so you can have cup of tea like that. I have an script open source here. Okay, if you want to take this open source, you can. Otherwise I'll just simply, this is a old method to use user agent. Okay, okay, I'll just remove this, and I can give this open source as if you want. Okay, I'll just give open source on my Telegram channel. If you want, then join Telegram my channel below. Okay, how to use this plenty of error here. Okay, how to use, sorry, graph method in any kind of script. Okay, this script contain graph method, but here the developer use normal method. Okay, BAPI method, normal method. Here I have already taken the graph method. So if you don't know how to get graph method, just watch this video, okay, and then after you will know how can you create this graph method. I have told there plenty of ideas, just simply copies. And first of all, this code will not look like this. You need to change the code, just like it will simply just random stuff you need to change according to your need, okay. Just and simply control a copy, okay. I'm doing simply control and copy. For this I'm just pasting here, okay. For this first just of time, you can use this method, okay. If I've just already copied this script, so here, okay, zero error here, free facebook .com, just use graph facebook.com. So it will be easy for you to use graph method, okay. Here he has used lambda expression, and then after, okay, graph method, he have taken the token from the graph method, okay. All good. This is an old script, okay, old script. Just this much only for graph method. If you watch this video and get this graph method using using Termux, then you will just simply go, you will get simply this method, okay, all this method. And after copying and paste, simply graph method updated, so easy. After that you can just update the script here, okay. I have an plenty of idea how to update script, and then in my next video I'm going to show you that how can you add just like showing showing what that call app showing what kind of application is login with this, okay. I've just teaching Python classes just like this, okay. You can see here I am teaching Python classes, okay. If you want to join, then you can join in my Python classes. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to teach, what I'm going to make in next video, okay. If you know this, then you can just skip this part, okay. First of all, okay, first of all, first of all, how it's how can you use how we'll just add some few codes, so that it will just give us some connected application for it, okay. It is easy, but many people still just copy this code and don't know how to use, okay. Just like IDs will look like this, okay. IDs look like this, not this, but something like this, okay. If you use pass, okay, pass whatever it can be. Let me just first 1 2 3, okay. uh, Steve, I'm just using Amol 1 2 3 4. If imagine if password is like that, and then after you will see here something connected, just like in 2024 August August 02, free, okay. Okay, PUBG is connected just like that. It will show just like that. You not need to check after this, okay. And after this video, I'm just going to add that you what how to what we call, okay, how to use created date, okay. Created that, how to add this on the script, just like it was created on 20 just like 2010, okay. It will be easy for you to it will be easy for you to use this kind of trick, so that no need to check login whatever. Just like you will go on www.face.com, and then after check your IDs blah blah blah, and then after it is not login, so you will be disappointed. So by writing this kind of trick, by writing this kind of code, it will get easily. But people still I have seen many of script people write their code in, and whatever this code for this and code for this they will write, but they do not know how to implement where that part of the certain part of the code, okay. So in my next video I'm going to teach you that. For this video, if I'm just this software, this take little more time, okay. I need to do something research on my this topic, okay. Software, this will be available in Play Store as soon as possible, if all things are going well. And in you are using some Apple product, then it will be available after 1 month, okay. In Apple, okay, Apple Apple Store, okay. in Apple it will just verify the it will just genuine or not, so it will take time. Okay, this chat GPT is basically that I have trained in like in part of the code. Okay, just like I have trained here the part, some part I've trained, just like whenever people use graph method. Okay, you need to I've just given here or chat GPT around 200 script. Okay, 200 script I'm given to chat this my code, and then after it will I'll just explain in summary. Okay, what I have done, it will just you use this creativity and generate its some topic. I have just for use this like topic. Okay, for user agent I'm just writing here some more Tom. Okay, you can use just like that here, which device you want to use user agent, or you want to upgrade your method. And then after this for file cloning. Okay, in my next type. Okay, if for in my next update, I'm just this is for file cloning. And then after public cloning, random cloning, all generate script. Okay, whatever script there are present, this will take a while, around 30 minutes, because this is newly software made by just me. I'm just working in this project. Okay, written this much JavaScript code, 553 code, some Python code, and index code. Okay, some index code, and this is the what HTML code look like, and code. And then after CSS, it will take so much time for me a single person do. If anybody from this video known how to use React and other kind of things, I will add them to in this project. Okay, they will be paid obviously. So thank you so much for watching this video, and love you all guys. You are